Refined proteins like fish and eggs are treasures of nutrition, but their true value depends on preparation. Dr. Men advises, refined proteins deserve refined cooking, simple, gentle methods that preserve their elegance and health benefits. Wong Bin prided himself on his healthy habits, but unknowingly turned refined protein into a burden. Frying fish added oil, salt, and complexity, undermining its elegance and straining his already fragile kidneys. Dr. Men recommended simplicity. Steaming fish retains its nutrients and elegance, avoiding unnecessary oils and spices. Refined proteins shine brightest when handled gently, preserving their natural purity and health benefits. True culinary art balances flavor and nutrition. With Dr. Men's guidance, refined proteins were paired with gentle cooking methods, turning simple ingredients into elegant, healthful meals that nourish the body without burdening it. Cooking is an art, and health is its canvas. Dr. Men's wisdom taught Wong Bin that refined proteins deserve respect and care. With simple methods and mindful choices, meals become both elegant and nourishing.